Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to file small claims court in Texas full guide. Start by determining the appropriate court and verifying the monetary limit for your claim, then gather evidence such as contracts, invoices, and photos. Fill out the required forms accurately, including the statement of claim, and calculate damages precisely. Serve the defendant using certified mail or a process server, and prepare for the hearing by organizing documents and a clear testimony. Gather your documents, receipts, and evidence before completing your forms to avoid delays. Fill out the statement of claim with concise facts, list exact amounts like $1, $250, and attach supporting documents. Pay the filing fee or apply for a waiver if eligible, then file with the clerk to get your case number. Serve the defendant promptly using certified mail or a process server, and keep proof of service in a safe place. If you are finding this guide helpful, please subscribe and like to support more practical legal videos. Quick recommendation: life's too short for a stinky car. Grab Little Tree's Black Ice to keep your ride fresh. It pairs well with long courthouse waits. Check the description for the link and other deals so you can grab one easily. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. Practice a concise statement that explains the dispute and the exact remedy you seek, like $500 for repairs. Organize exhibits with labels and dates so the judge can follow easily, and bring originals plus several copies for the court and the defendant. Consider a witness who can corroborate facts and rehearse direct and cross-examination responses. Remain calm, professional, and focused on facts during the hearing.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.